I'm asking her, and then I'll ask you, Miss Budinsky. I can see where we are on this. The tail is wagging the dog. You're on probation, but I know what you're doing. I know what this. You want to be on your own probation terms. See, I know, I know. This is a review, probation review, and we scheduled judicial review from an administrative hearing memo sent to me on in March of this year, which alleged several things.
Sorry, I'm like, I didn't get that.
And this allegedly, well, an uncertain thing about an injurious or vicious habits, violation two, probation, failing to obtain permission to leave Texas, mistake, testing positive for THC,
Yes.
failing to remain off the premises of any bar, tavern, or similar place, failing to perform community service, failing to abstain from the use of intoxicating substances, failing to submit to alcohol drug screening at the direction of the probation office, and then behind in court fees. Yeah. All right. What does anybody want to say before I say something about where this should head?
So you're going to, we requested the judicial review simply because originally when we called, with that in to speak, it was about simple allegations that we were hoping to intervene with. It wasn't until the original hearing took place and we requested when, that behavior started taking place in which were not acceptable. However, on that day, she submitted a urine sample that was pulled. And so, attempting to get that done or redone, a new sample, she began to have anxiety and things and it just didn't feel it. So we asked her to leave the building and we would come back on
Today?
well, this was at administrative level. And we tried to come back again and do the same thing, and we just aren't having success having any conversation with that. So that's what we requested the judicial review for.
Okay. What's he say?
I'd like to hear what you say, Judge.
I want a motion to revoke probation.
Okay, we can get that filed.
Your Honor, please, I just not half of what is actually truths are.
That's why we're going to have a hearing, and we will see. But I trust my probation office. My probation office has almost a 95% success rate. The national average is 75. They try hard for success on the people, and that's what I want. And I've done this for almost 20 years. It's always the defendant at fault, not the probation office. Failing to, let's see, I don't even know what that one is. That's a nebulous one. Failing to obtain permission to leave Texas in March. Testing positive for THC, tetrahydrocannabinol, marijuana. Failing to remain off the premises of any bar, tavern, lounge, or similar place. Has not completed any of the court order. Has she completed any court ordered community service work?
Pay for it.
I'm asking her, and then I'll ask you, Ms. Budinsky. I can see where we are on this. Tail's wagging the dog. You're on probation, but I know what you're doing. I know what this. You want to be on your own probation terms. See, I know how you are. I recognize. Go ahead.
None of the acts have been completed.
None have been completed.
In order for her to pay or to be eligible for a particular program, in order to spend money on community service, she would have to be currently with us.
You've been on probation for how long?
I'm almost done. Almost 2 years, sir.
My question was, you've been on probation for how long?
2 years, sir.
2 years.
Yes, sir.
Zero community supervision, community service. Zero. What was this about the, failed to submit the alcohol drug screening on February 24th? Tampered and tainted the urine sample. That was the cold urine that came out of her 98.6 degrees body.
Yeah.
You just, once again, you're going to have a chance to speak, Ms. Budinsky. That's rude. We learned that in kindergarten. And then, only in house. Okay. So, anything you want to say? Now, this is your chance. You've been
Yes,
trying to interrupt
I'm sorry.
long enough. But I can guarantee you, cold urine is not a natural phenomenon.
No, sir, it's not.
Okay. So, it's their fault? That they just
No, sir. I'm not saying they didn't.
Oh.
No, sir. I just know that it's not possible as well.
Okay.
The test strips, don't know what could have been wrong, but they don't have you pee in a plastic cup, like one with temperature. And only reason why. And I've never left any state. I have no idea what accusations. I've been going through a custody battle with my son. I had to spend $10,000 recently. That's why I'm behind. I'm planning on getting caught up as soon as that hearing is done. I have one more hearing. I just got a vehicle. My car blew up in March. I've been having a good run to work. It's not an excuse, but
No.
I've been getting it done.
All right.
Yeah, we do have a second test that was disputed, for marijuana. It did come back from the lab confirmed by the juice.
Okay. Yes. Got an anniversary date of this probation too coming. The court is going to order a motion to revoke probation to be filed. We will have a hearing on it, and everybody will get her. We'll figure out what direction that needs to go in. But these are disturbing, and I'm really anxious to hear the story about the urine, because this is a science. You don't urinate cold urine. You reach your body temperature. And, um, and also the test, the drug test, that drug test was confirmed by a more accurate subsequent test, which confirmed the marijuana, which is perfect.
Most definitely.
No. Anyway, yeah, we'll file a motion and we'll go from there, okay? Anything else on that? I'll give it resetting for review and 4 weeks to see where the motion to revoke probation is. Just, I want to review on her for enforce. I want